Cheesy egg mayo brioche bread sandwich. A super easy to make sandwich recipe. An easy lunchbox recipe for kids. To a bowl. Great for boiled eggs. To this add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add some salt to taste. Some black pepper powder. And finally some red chili flakes. Give this all a good mix. Mix until well combined. Brioche pastry bread used here. Can use any sandwich bread too. Apply a generous amount of the egg mayo mixture on the bread. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. Can use a cheese slice too. Season it with some red chili flakes. Add some butter to a pan. Toast the bread. Add some butter on the other side as well. Carefully flip the side. Cover a lid and toast on a low flame, as we need the cheese to melt completely. A super yummy easy snack recipe, ready in just a few minutes. Please subscribe to my channel today. We'll be sharing links of other sandwich recipes in the description box below.